Hello, my name is Chris Fitch. I'm the creative director for Woodsmith magazine. And I wanted to show you a little bit of our production shop here today. This is where we build all the projects and we make all the mistakes here so you don't have to at home. Now, we have anywhere from 4 to 6 people in here at times. So the shop is divided up into different work pods. There are 5 workbenches in our area. We have 3 table saws. One of them we keep with a dado head at all times. And then we have a variety of drill presses, router tables, and the usual portable power tools that you have at home. So, first off, let me point you to this end of our shop space. That is our finish room. And we're really proud of that because there's a big spray booth in there, and we love that spray booth for finishing our projects quickly and easily and very, very well. But we have all the rub-on finishes and stains and all sorts of things in there too. So we do spend a lot of time in there trying to get that just right finish. One of the things too that we're really proud of is that we are pretty conscientious about safety. You may not be able to see it, but we have 2 big air filters up on the ceiling. And we also have a couple of our table saws that I mentioned earlier are all SawStop brands, so we feel pretty safe and pretty confident using those. We also have full dust collection, which, as you know, is very, very important for health and for keeping your shop clean. So we have a fully piped Oneida system. Well, here we are on the other side of our workshop. And what's to see here? Well, this is our master craftsman, Dana Myers, and he is putting a floating blade guard on this saw, which we're really pleased with. More safety equipment and more dust control too. You can see this is a little pod here of tools. And as I said, we have 5 workbenches, so we're trying to accommodate a lot of people all at once. So we have a router table, drill press, and a planer that go with this bench. And that seems to really work well to kind of create these little pods. The other thing I'd point out is that we have a lot of carts around here. And that really helps us move things around and create situations for individual projects. So if one of us is working on a large carcass piece, we can spread parts out on a cart, and we can also move things over to a planer, a drill press, whatever we need to. So we have a whole collection of them around here, and it's hard to imagine using the space without them. Another little item I'll point out to you, it's kind of buried behind here, but this is a prototype CNC machine that's going to be coming up in Woodsmith magazine that I'm very pleased with. So kind of getting all the bugs worked out and everything ready to go with this. It's going to appear in a couple of issues, and so that's something a little different for us, but it's time to join the digital world and enjoy that type of woodworking as well as the more traditional forms. Now off in this room over here to my right, we have some lathes, and we're trying to kind of congregate some more sanding equipment in here. So we have a drum sander, a table that's dedicated to pad sanders, as well as a horizontal belt sander. And by kind of grouping everything together, it just helps out our workflow and a little bit of keeping things in one area rather than being spread out. Well, this is another corner of our workshop, and by me here is our large Powermatic bandsaw. And we have 3 bandsaws in our shop. So we have, this one has a heavy resaw blade on it, and our other 2 have 1/4-inch blades. But it's really a nice luxury to have a dedicated resaw bandsaw. Mostly what you see here, of course, is lumber. We have all of our lumber on end here on this side, and over on my left, we have plywood racks. And so we're able to keep a good stock of wood on hand, but also we're able to keep the lumber that we purchase for projects neat, organized, and keep our shop nice and clean that way. We don't have to have stacks of everything everywhere. Also, we have a couple of these lumber carts, which are sure helpful with transporting things around, particularly when we're dealing with heavy sheets of 4x8 MDF. All right, circling back around to our shop, what you can see here is we've got another work area. We've got a bench back here that you can't see. And once again, with this pod concept, we've got a drill press to my right, a router table to the left, some clamp storage, and another planer. So we're always trying to congregate a pod around each bench. Also, you'll see here we have a miter saw with lots of extension space up to the right and to the left, which is very nice, and dust collection, because as you know, these things can sure be sloppy and spew the dust everywhere. Well, that completes our tour of the Woodsmith shop. So thank you very much for joining us, and we hope to have you back again and show you the projects that are in progress and the things that we're going to be doing here. And also, if you ever happen to be in the Des Moines, Iowa area, feel free to stop by to see us. We'd love to give you a tour and show you around.